80.
If I didn't rap, they don't care, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. Know some shit.
What's up, CTV gang?
It's Cayden.
And it's Taya.
It's Majay.
Yeah, JJ and
It's
Raquan. Or Nunu, whatever you want to do. So we're going to do the Bean Boozled challenge.
And if you guys saw some of my videos, they are fun.
Please subscribe, hit that like button.
So you gonna use us?
I already know. Subscribe, hit that like button, all of that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're gonna be doing this on teams. He's on my
Yeah.
team, and Samaje is on Cayden's team. We're gonna win though.
my shirt.
So
Yeah, this my guys. They my godsons, you know. So we gonna do a little, little team up edition.
yeah,
JJ on my squad.
JJ
Raquan.
is really goofy.
Raquan on Taya's side here. We got these
I'm not
bags.
worried about my hair,
We got these bags. So if they spit them out, that's a point loss. We're just gonna do points.
Yeah.
How many different? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait.
And whoever loses gotta do 13 push-ups.
How many different kinds? Here, let me just look on the box.
13
1, 2,
1, 2,
for a whole hour.
10.
Okay.
So it's 10 points. At the end, we're gonna count what's in the bag.
Oh my, I don't want to do this.
Come on, you
Okay.
gotta be ready.
Where's the mic?
Hit that like button, that subscribe button.
Where's the mic?
Yeah.
Please.
Where's the box?
Alright, y'all ready?
The box.
Okay.
We got water too on the side.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna be doing lawn clippings and lime. The green one right there. Okay, so one for you.
Gotta wait for it to
One for you, one for me, and one for you.
All right. All 3. You gotta chew it. Don't spit it out, Jay.
Okay. Chew it.
Jay, don't spit it out. Just swallow it. Whatever you do. Okay.
Let me open up your bag for you.
Please, because we gotta win.
Okay.
We have to win.
So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got lime. I got lime. What you do, Jay? Let me smell. He got lime clippings.
I got line.
I got lime. What you got, man? Let me smell. Y'all got lime clipping. Yeah, that lime was fire, Loki.
That's just something going out.
No. Come on, we gotta win.
You thought it was.
The one that
Hey, I swear, dude. It's a little black aftertaste. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Alright, so we're doing the coconut.
CTB, coconut.
Coconut.
Okay, so next we're gonna be doing coconut and spoiled milk.
Oh, no.
Y'all, I got a bad taste in my mouth, and I think I'm gonna throw it before I even hear.
Yep, we gonna win. Fuck this.
No, don't throw it none.
Stop.
My
No,
mama,
you
we
can't smell
won.
it. You can't smell it.
Okay.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Mm.
No, Katie, you gotta be in the camera. Come on, somebody!
You spit out?
Somebody! It's not that bad.
I swallowed it. Samaje!
Y'all get killed by man. Come on, you want these black?
Come on, Jay. Come on. We got it.
Y'all lost already.
Nah, swallow it.
Yeah, we all got it? That is not fair!
No, I got the what's name.
I'm about to throw up.
I got coconut.
Ain't that cheating?
Mm-mm.
Why
I
couldn't
already
get nothing to
swallowed
drink?
it.
Yeah.
Come on, Jay. Come drink some water. Come on, man.
We still won. Come on, boss.
Here.
That's wood for y'all. Y'all got a point.
You can't throw up, man. You gotta
Stay
swallow
on the
that
bed.
shit.
Help him. That's your partner.
Right.
Go to the bathroom.
Nigga, I was trying to stay alive. What you talking about?
Okay. So that's
stay
Jesus Christ. Okay, so next we gonna be doing booger and juicy pear. Jesus, don't give me a bad one again this time, cause that's 2 times
Well,
in a row.
they probably they just probably stopped eating boogers, so they probably be good. But you gotta throw up.
You would have spit it out.
No,
Drink
just swallow it.
Right.
Swallow it.
Hold up, cause you,
This is what we're doing.
bro, this one booger, bro.
They all look the same.
This is
Booger
booger.
or juicy pear. It's either one of them. Baby, can I get something to drink? Cause I
No.
Come on, don't get up no more. If you don't like it, just spit it out, okay?
Just spit it out. Throw up in the bag.
No, but don't spit it out, man. We gotta win, so you get them ring pops.
okay.
All right, 1.
2, 3. Go. I gotta go one. Goodbye, Jay.
Jay, come on, man. You gotta stay here this way.
That shit's nasty, bro.
No
It's
pressure.
really nasty.
No pressure.
I got juicy pear, but it was still nasty. You gotta spit. Oh my god! You finna make me
swallow
lose a
it?
point.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Clog your nose and swallow it so you don't gotta taste it or smell it.
Bro, that's nasty. It really tastes like a real booger. It tastes like it's sour, but it's a booger. Like it's nasty. But man, like and subscribe, man. I swallowed it. I did that.
Okay, so next. Oh my god, which one is this? Cayden? Is it this one or this one?
What you do toothpaste?
Let's just do toothpaste.
It's either or.
Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't matter, I guess.
It's
What
like,
the big little challenge?
so
What is a hot Cheeto? Let me get a hot Cheeto.
No.
I think these ones are these ones and these ones are these ones.
let me see.
Can I drink some now?
Oh, fuck.
I'm getting toothpaste.
Yeah, you can drink some. So we got barf, peach, dead fish, or strawberry banana smoothie.
Strawberry banana smoothie.
They look the same, so you
Yeah,
can't really
so we're
tell.
just gonna do it all together like that. We're gonna do it all together.
Ugh.
Here.
Design on me is stainless.
Here. I'm over this already.
I can't do this shit no
Here.
more. I feel like I'm about to throw the fuck up.
Okay. 1. Okay.
No cursing.
Oh yeah.
1,
No cursing.
2, 3.
Go.
I can't do it. I don't want it.
so
I take my
nasty.
loss. I take my motherfucking loss. I take my motherfucker. Come on.
He got no one left on the wall!
Come on now. Only I was supposed to spit.
Come on now, I can't swallow that.
Alright, that's 2. 2 each. Bro, that's
You spit the first time?
no. You just spit.
2.
That was 2.
But
They got 3.
We got 3.
Oh.
This nigga really in the bathroom throwing up.
I'm over
That is gross.
this. I'm over this.
He keep getting all the bad ones.
Come on,
I'm
Jay.
over this.
Come on, Jay.
Jay, come on, man. Come on.
You got it.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Come on, can we get 2
Let's
first?
say quick.
That's the last one. What's that?
Can we
We doing
quit?
this one only? We ain't doing no more?
No, I'm
Can we
saying
get Tutti Frutti?
toothpaste.
Tutti
is the last
Frutti?
one.
I like Tutti Frutti.
This one, dog food or chocolate pudding?
Dog food.
Give me this one.
Chocolate pudding.
Oh, we gotta get this
Don't give me dog food.
Your tail.
No.
Alright, 1, 2. Yeah, alright. I gotta get it. Bye. Oh,
What it
no.
tastes like?
It's chocolate. It's chocolate. Eat
Hey,
it.
what you doing?
Eat it. Come on, man. Eat it. Come on, you got.
Food.
You making us lose.
Fine. Just eat it. It's okay. Chew it. Even if it's nasty, just swallow it. Chew it.
You don't even taste it yet.
I know. Chew it.
It
Chew
do when it first go in your mouth, it really
Just chew it.
tastes
Chew it.
Swallow it, my Jay.
Let's chew it.
I already spit mine out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What is happening?
Do it. You
Hey,
gotta
look. Hey, look.
Funny. Sabaja making y'all lose.
Come on, Jay. You gotta
Swallow
swallow.
it.
Just chew it.
Swallow it. Go ahead, you can do it. Swallow it, you get to play Gatataro. You get first and Gatataro.
Gretetado.
Get to play online on 2 games.
It probably tastes like
That's
chocolate.
important
You
to
don't even know.
boys. That's
It tastes
important
like
to
chocolate?
boys. She act like No.
I smell it. It's dog food. It's not.
I almost blew that man's face away.
That's
And his whole face it.
Oh shit.
that was dog food. It's okay. It's alright. You got it. Look. Ooh. And you getting some treats when we get done. How about that?
Boy! I swear for M&M's. Okay.
No, I thought that was the last one.
No.
What is toothpaste?
No, we doing that last. Put it back.
Oh, why?
Because so we can feel
Oh yeah,
clean.
so we can jinx it too.
They both taste good. Toothpaste or blueberry.
Blue, blue, blue.
Oh, shoot.
Damn. Ew. No.
I'm playing around in my bag and stuff.
Alright, so this one is going to be rotten egg
Ah.
or butter popcorn.
No,
You can't smell it, bro. You can't smell it.
I cheated.
Alright.
Here.
I bet.
Take it.
I'm like, alright, 1, 2, this nigga. Come on. Chew it. You gotta chew it. What tastes like popcorn?
It's nasty.
Right there.
That
This nigga said, Rodney!
Let me.
You blow me away. Don't do that. Who got it?
I'm in it.
Good job, bro.
It's buttery popcorn.
Oh, okay.
I got it too. You got it?
Scoot closer.
No.
You gotta scoot over, man. Y'all gotta stay close.
Jesus. How smell?
God damn. Don't throw it, baby. Oh, my stomach weak. I can't do this shit.
God.
Oh, no. She blow a nigga face out. I'm dead. Okay.
Minimum good.
So next one we're going to do. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Please, somebody.
No, they get the broke.
No.
Yes,
No.
they do.
It's whatever I give y'all. Whatever I give y'all.
Hell no, they get the broke one.
Whatever I give y'all.
What kind is it?
Sticky socks or
Yeah.
Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
No, it's whatever I give y'all, Cayden. Don't play. Whatever drops out.
No, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Trade with me, my dude.
No.
Cause I already know.
No. Alright, 1.
You boosty.
No,
Okay.
1, 2. No, you gotta eat that shit.
It's small. Just swallow it. Just swallow it. Like a pill.
2, 3.
Oh. I swallowed it.
Oh, that's Tutti Frutti.
Oh, we could have just did that. Just swallow
No,
it.
you can't do that shit.
It's already gone. I'm sorry.
No, that was stinky shot.
You what?
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Well, I'm done.
Oh.
Hell no.
How it smell?
Let me smell.
Blow my face off my face.
What did he say?
Your breath so hot, you gonna smack me.
She just bit my face.
Last one is, oh my god, not last one. Second to last one is moldy cheese
Can we
or
vlog
caramel corn. Caramel corn.
We already got that one.
No, we
We
didn't.
did.
Caramel corn. We just had it.
Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
Please God, please God, please God.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Hey! Hey! Hey!
I'm sorry to tell y'all, but it's gone. I told you to do.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, my mother.
My stomach is weak. So last one.
I'm definitely eating toothpaste.
Gang.
Came for the throw up. Toothpaste and blueberry. This, I don't think it's gonna be bad.
I guess not.
Yay! We won. We won.
Toothpaste.
Yo,
I got two back.
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Oh, shit. I need that shit, bro.
I'm glad it came at the last, bro.
1, 2, 3.
I got two.
But he threw up once.
It's a
It's
two.
a tie.
It's a two.
Damn, that's
Alright, we all love each other. It's a tie. Like and subscribe to our channel.
Yep. Do all that.
Cayden and Taya plus Nunu. You already know how I'm coming.
And
man.
plus my day.
5 miles, alright.
So if you guys like that,
I need this
Hit the
lining.
like button.
We need to go up there and go get that lining.
I know. Subscribe,
Jesus, my mouth tastes
all
kinda
that.
nasty.
I damn near threw up like 4 times.
The first one tasted like
Booty.
Bro.
I think it just tastes up my mouth.
The dino on me is stainless.
Hot Cheetos ain't never been this good.
what if it
man.
was a hot sauce one?
What, the Hot Cheeto challenge?
No, the hot sauce
They made hot Cheeto chicken.
That is so bad.
Hot Cheeto chicken is good.
These beans are so bad. I ain't never doing that again.
Bring them home.
Do
Give
it.
them to Samari.
My mouth still tastes bad. I don't understand why.
No, we should.
That shit's
Yeah,
awesome.
we should do the hot Cheeto challenge. We should get.
It really is. Alright, subscribe to our channel.